Jensen Huang just told the world the AI gold rush has a new currency, and it's tokens. At GTC Taipei this week, he said something most people scrolled right past. Every token is now a revenue unit. Think about what that actually means. A token is the smallest piece of output an AI model produces. Words, numbers, code. Every time AI generates something, that's a token. And Jensen just framed every single token as money. Not future money, money right now. The same week, NVIDIA announced they can now assemble a Grace Blackwell rack in 5 minutes. These are the systems Anthropic and OpenAI used to train models. 5 years ago, this would have taken a month. Today, 5 minutes. The infrastructure to produce tokens at infinite scale just got built. Here's what most people are missing. While the world watches Jensen on stage and thinks cool tech, a small group is asking a different question. If every token is revenue, who's positioned to capture it, not the people learning the tools? The people plugging into systems that already convert tokens into actual income. I'm Christian Guzman and this is SamJak AI. We help working professionals build faceless AI income using a system already producing real revenue across the network. If you want to see what plugging in looks like, the link is below. The token economy just opened. Most will read about it, a few will own a piece of it.